Hi, this is April from Reprogram Yourself. So I am so ridiculously excited. I just had a couple of patients today. I'm in the clinic, and one of my patients, she's a returning patient, and she sees me for spinal flow. And she has some lower back pain that we've been working through, and she has a little bit of tension in her neck with a new job. But the super exciting part is before she got her treatment, her spinal flow treatment, I treated her with FSM. So I used the magnetic converters here with the FSM machine. So there's a custom care that I utilize, and then it comes with these magnetic converters. And the magnetic converter really just changes the microamperes, so it doesn't have to go through the machine. It converts. So these little converters here can be utilized. That means that we don't need wet towels. We don't need the little electrodes that are stuck. It just kind of creates this field for the body to operate in. So what I did was I treated her with concussion and vagus protocol. So that means that we really worked on the vagus nerve to release any kind of stress that she was having and any concussion. So concussion will be something that we all experience. I mean, it's not necessarily like a car accident or something that caused something severe. Concussion can be from any kind of stressors, either physical or emotional. So I was able to treat her for 30 minutes with concussion and vagus protocol. And when she came in and laid on the table for spinal flow, her body was completely ready to heal. It had already got out of that fight or flight and had got into that parasympathetic resonance, right, where she was just relaxed, which was beautiful. Also, our energy already knows each other. So I already know what that means is I already know the spots along her spine, those access points that we need to utilize to help facilitate the greatest healing. But the big news for me, and just what I wanted to share, is that FSM, frequency specific microcurrent, in conjunction with spinal flow, is proving to be incredibly helpful, and it multiplies, I would say, the results of what we are achieving with the spinal flow work. And so that's a win for our patients, for our clients, for you, because the body just is able to pull down all of the energy it needs to focus it in those places where it needs to heal. And it just is an absolutely beautiful thing. So thanks so much. If you're interested in frequency specific microcurrent or spinal flow or anything else that I offer, please visit my website, re-programyourself.com. Thanks so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.